Welcome back. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch, Diocesan Society of Education and Force are on guard after the state government's decision to reconsider the issue of grants given to English primary schools and entire MOI issue. A delegation of BBSM would meet Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar soon. Pressure is building up on the government from the MLAs from Salsette supporting English medium schools. The matter is coming up before the High Court for disposal on Monday.
Director of Education had filed affidavit in the court stating that government would reconsider the entire issue of MOI and grants given to English primary schools. Education Directorate will also issue a fresh circular to substitute the original controversial circular dated 10th June 2011.
I don't know exactly in what terms they filed the affidavit. I don't have a copy of that. But it appears that it's a good move because we have got positive assurances from the Chief Minister when we had a meeting with him that he will sort it out the things amicably which are going to be satisfactory to all the sections. And one positive assurance he has given us is that he is going to take all the stakeholders into confidence, which is good, before taking a decision. This cannot be in any way detrimental to the interests of the parents and the students because they have got concern for their students, for the future of the students, and we have supported their stand.
Father Zeffirino, speaking about BJP's stand on MOI in party manifesto, says there is nothing permanent in politics.
I don't want to say anything. Things can be changed. In politics, there's nothing called permanent. See, finally, Tetani Mulla Zaid. But what is people's wishes? They are not going to cater to their demands. The government will cater to the demands of the people.
We consider the decision. We have not really gone through the affidavit that they have filed in the High Court. But for us, whether when they say reconsider, and if a choice is given to the parents to choose a medium of instruction, we have absolutely no problem. Now, as far as the BJP manifesto that what you are considering, it has been even said that there will be an amicable solution to the situation where the parents who have already chosen, their rights would be respected. So we have not infringed on anybody's right. We are purely on demand that our students or the parents have to get a choice.
आज किती तुमची मीटिंग झाली नाही भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाची?
No, that was just a general discussion.
तुम्ही आता चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळपाचे?
ना, ताणे मीटिंग आपयल्या ताजे लेवलचे डिस्कशन चालू आसा तेन्ना त्या संदर्भात काही डिस्कशन पूण अमूक अशें हें कांय ना भितर निर्णय हे डिसिजन अशें कांय ना. ते तागेले सिरीज मीटिंग चालू आसा तातूंत भितरली आमच्या कांय प्रतिनिधींक ताणें आपयल्या आमी सगळे जाण वतले आशिल्ले न्ही प्रतिनिधी ते अशें त्या संदर्भात चर्चा आशिल्ली इतलें आनी कांय ना.
Our reporters Navdeep Aguirre and Savio Dias with video journalist Omkar Falari.
In our Panchayat series today, we have the Kalata Majodda Uttorda Panchayat. Garbage problem is far from getting over. Villagers of Majodda are hoping for a new Panchayat panel which would provide them a full-fledged sports complex too.
This is the Panchayat of Majodda Uttorda. Sarpanch Visitation De Silva informed that she tried to solve basic problems of the people by providing them BPL schemes, water connection, sulab toilets and repairing of roads. But somehow, she says, garbage issue is far from getting over due to inadequate cooperation by the locals.
People started dumping any rubbish, so I stopped it. I made a garbage unit for wet garbage. But no one was ready to work for it. I approached the Novem Panchayat, Janna Panchayat Sarpanch, so that we can together do a garbage treatment plant. But they start saying there will be problem after because of your garbage, my garbage. I had shown 3 sites for garbage, but they were low lying. Pollution board.
So they were rejected.
They were rejected. The pollution board control came and inspected the site, and they were rejected.
The long-pending demand of the locals of having a full-fledged playground and sports complex is pending. People feel the new Panchayat panel would fulfill their demand of a playground.
We had approached the minister to develop it.
With a proposal.
Yeah. And even I put a proposal with MP Sardin also. And Father Urban Menezes asked me to do this church football ground. So I have approached the hotel, Avila, and they have promised Father that they will do it.
The Sarpanch has served the people for 3 terms in Majorda. However, she would not contest nor support any panel in this election. Our reporter, Savio Dias.
Gemini fast food stall at Baina is misusing the domestic cylinders for their commercial purpose. The food joint is operating without any permission from the municipality and the Food and Drugs Administration. Have a look. The domestic LPG cylinders are being used by Gemini fast food stall at Baina for its commercial purpose. The water is dumped in the drainages just next to the stall. The food cart comes at Baina in the evening and is there till late night. Moreover, it runs without any permission from municipality and FDA.
इसका लाइसेंस है म्यूनसिपैलिटी का?
रहेगा ना, मैं मालूम नहीं।
तुमको पता नहीं? आपको पता है आप गैस सिलेंडर यूज़ कर रहा है, वो डोमेस्टिक सिलेंडर यूज़ कर रहा है?
अभी तो मैं तो अभी इधर आके नया नया है, उतना तो पता नहीं है।
We brought it to the notice of acting chairperson of Murga municipality Krishna Salkar. He said that municipality will take necessary action.
It is a health hazard, first of all, because as you said, they are throwing the water in the drains. Secondly, they are using domestic cylinders. Thirdly, the most important, they don't have our permission also. So these are all 3 are very serious things in nature. So by tomorrow, you should see some action on that.
Action means what? You will be seizing these handcarts or you will be let them take it away?
No. First we'll ask them about the permissions and all. If they don't have, we'll seize them, and we'll see what next to do.
Our reporter from Baina, Surendra Madkaikar. Let frogs live in lily ponds and not be killed for your dinner. Goa can appeal the people in the state to save frogs and preserve the environment. They had an awareness rally on Saturday at Margao.
Hundreds of volunteers came out on streets on Saturday distributing handouts informing them to stop hunting the frogs for commercial sale.
We are appealing to consumers to put a stop to this eating of frog meat. Hundreds of frogs are being slaughtered and supplied to restaurants privately. Because this campaign has become effective, in the last 3 years, the number of frogs being slaughtered has reduced. But we are still putting the emphasis on this issue because we have to reach a message that the environment has to be protected. Today, we know the increase of malaria has been because of also linked to the drastic decrease of frogs who have been consuming mosquitoes.
The frogs feed on mosquitoes which are responsible for the spread of malaria and other vector-borne diseases. Therefore, the frogs have to be protected. The increasing incidences of snakes entering the human habitation also contributes to the dwindling population of frogs. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.